Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we have Paint Cherries and my mommy made these. You want to see? I'll show you guys. And we are using these bottle caps to paint cherries. We are using this too. Go on, Aja. Nice cherry. Up, guys. Is my cherry still yummy? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you want more cherries? Mine is going to be the cutest. Let's see who's the cutest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, yummy. Guys, what about cherry? You're using the right one. Cherry, I want cherry. Mine is going to be the cutest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hooray! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, me. My cherry. I want to eat cherries. Just kidding, everybody. We're going to eat cherries. I know it's fine if it goes right there. What does it look like? I'm still real, guys. Look at my painting. And mine. Does it look beautiful? Thank you. It's fine that Aja made it pitchy. Thanks you for watching, and remember, stay happy, cherry, and rise up. And bye. Bye. Do you want to see our picture?